Promoting corporal, cost per lead, offers in CPA, cost per action, marketing can be an effective way to generate leads and earn commissions. Here are some strategies to help you promote corporal offers for free. Content marketing. Create high-quality, informative content related to the corporal offers you are promoting. This could include blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic and include affiliate links to the corporal offers within the content. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms to promote your corporal offers. Identify relevant social media channels where your target audience hangs out and share engaging content related to the offers. You can create posts, run contests, share testimonials, or even create live videos to generate interest and drive traffic to your offers. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering valuable content or incentives to your audience. Once you have a list, create an email marketing campaign to promote your corporal offers. Craft persuasive emails that highlight the benefits of the offers and include your affiliate links. Make sure to comply with anti-spam regulations and provide an option for subscribers to unsubscribe. Online communities and forums. Participate in online communities and forums related to your niche. Offer helpful advice, answer questions, and establish yourself as an expert. Include your affiliate links in relevant discussions where appropriate, but avoid spamming or being overly promotional. Focus on building relationships and providing value. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your website or blog for search engines to increase organic traffic. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords related to your corporal offers and incorporate them into your content. Build backlinks from reputable websites and improve your website's loading speed to enhance search engine rankings. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who have an audience that aligns with your target market. Reach out to them and propose a partnership where they promote your corporal offers to their followers. This can help you tap into their established audience and gain credibility and trust. Referral programs. Create a referral program where you incentivize your existing leads or customers to refer others to your corporal offers. Offer rewards or discounts for successful referrals. This can help generate word-of-mouth marketing and expand your reach. Remember to comply with any legal and ethical guidelines for affiliate marketing, such as disclosing your affiliate relationship and adhering to advertising regulations. Also, track and analyze your promotional efforts to identify what strategies are working best and optimize your approach accordingly.